maintenance. She did not seek the maintenance. She is asking arrears of the maintenance. She's got the one-time settlement, madam.
Where is that order?
The family arrangements, madam. There is no.
Don't go to all that. When you have received a notice from the court, why have you not appeared?
Submission, madam. If she had not received any lump sum amount from the petitioner, she would have filed and maintenance.
Court has to assume and presume things. Court will not assume things.
She would have appeared before the court.
Because she has already taken lump sum amount, you do not want to appear before the court. Now also don't appear.
Now warrant has been
issued. That will continue. Yes.
His husband petition, madam. The respondent number 1 and 2 filed in maintenance petition.
How much is granted?
Before that, facts. She filed a petition in the year 2013. Wife and daughter. She got the interim order at 2000 each. Both of them filed a revision petition before appellate court. Before appellate court, the matter has been settled. She agreed to stay with this petitioner. In the 2020, she left the matrimonial house with some family arrangements. Now she has filed in claiming arrears in the 13 to 17. Instead of filing the maintenance, she did not seek the maintenance. She is asking arrears of the maintenance. Instead of she received some lump sum amount within the family arrangements.
Where is that?
That is not, there is no order. But she is not claiming maintenance now. She is claiming only arrears, my lord. She got the attachment order now in 2013 to 17, not to present.
Even before the order passed in RPFC or in any other
CRP.
In CRP, then if you are not paying, she is entitled.
She's got the one-time settlement, madam.
Where is that order?
The family arrangements, madam. There is no separate order. Now
how the court can understand all this?
She is not claiming maintenance now. Up to she is asking arrears only 13 to 17, not present year, madam.
Can't she? Can't she ask?
If she had not received any amount, she would have filed a separate petition for maintenance till date.
How the court had dealt with it?
She has not filed separate petition for maintenance till date.
Please come to the order. Please come to the order.
Now I'm challenging the annexure F, my lord, page 30.
Page?
43, my lord.
Yes. What is the order at page 43? Petition and counsel present, respondent absent, no representation. Arrest warrant against respondent returned as door locked. Absent, FLW issued against respondent, returned unexecuted. Respondent is not owning any more, considering the absence of respondent since 2017. Issue attachment warrant of mobile by break open the lock.
If she had not received any amount from the present petitioner,
don't go to all that. When you have received a notice from the court, why have you not appeared?
She did not appear before.
You have not appeared, and why should this court interfere with this order? Now, all these things will arise once you appear before the court and submit to the court that these are all the facts. Otherwise, how would the court know?
One submission, if she had not received any lump sum amount from the petitioner, she would have filed and maintenance.
Court has to assume and presume things. Court will not assume things.
She would have claimed
Please don't tell that
maintenance
argument, Mr. Counsel, again and again. You have to be present before the court and tell the court. Why were you not present?
Only arrears 2 lakhs is there, madam. I'm ready to deposit 1 lakh, my lord.
We will not. Why should we interfere first? That's a question.
Instead, she has taken.
Don't even go before the court. You don't appear from 2017. Court waits for you till 2024.
She has taken lump sum amount. That's why you did not appear before the trial
lump sum amount. When you have received the notice from the court, it is your duty to appear before the
Yes,
court.
my lord.
That is the first and foremost submission you have to make. Why?
Yes, my lord. He did not appear before the trial court.
Then what is wrong with the order? Next question is that.
Yes. I'm ready to deposit 1 lakh, my lord. Only 2 lakhs is their arrears. Let them appear before this court, my lord.
Why this should go on from there to here, here to there? What is this shuttling?
Because a restaurant has been issued and
It will be issued.
Yes,
Put that the court has issued this order. When you have no respect to the order of the court. Now you will not go before the trial court. You will come before the high court. Both are courts.
Yes, my lord.
When you can go before, when you can't appear before that court, why should you come before this court?
Unless the entire
What
amount
happens is if these kind of petitions are entertained, then everybody, this would be the practice. That okay, that let me not appear before the trial court. I'll go to the high court and obtain orders.
what assuming petition, my lord, the entire amount.
Now, what is wrong with the order now? While exercising the jurisdiction under 227, what is that the court has to do? What is wrong with the order? Tell the court.
Nothing, my lord,
Nothing is wrong.
nothing.
Uh,
Because why he did not appear before court, my lord? She has taken lump sum amount from the petitioner. That's why matter has been settled.
Then let-
The assuming that he did not appear
No,
before the court.
because she has already taken lump sum amount, you do not want to appear before the court. Now also don't appear.
Now warrant has been
They will
issued.
that will continue. Unnecessarily, you made the court to do the exercise from when? How many times the matter has appeared before the court? How much of judicial time you have wasted?
It did not appear.
Pay the amount, pay the entire amount to her, then automatically the court will do it.
50% I will deposit. 50%. 2
Go
lakh,
before the same court.
they will not entire amount, unless the deposit entire amount, they won't recall the warrant amount. 2 lakh 10,000 is there, madam, arrears. 50% I will deposit in 2 weeks.
By tomorrow you deposit.
More not possible.
Then we will
At
not
least
interfere.
1 week.
First of all, it's not a case for,
1 week.
not a case for interference at all. Why should we? Yes.
Hello, one week I will deposit, madam.
It is submitted, the land counsel for the petition submits that there was a settlement between the parties and he has paid a lump sum amount. Now a petition is filed now a petition is filed by the wife seeking arrears from 13 to 17 and the court has issued FLW. It is submitted that taking the entire amount, now she cannot file this petition. Next, this court has perused the order, wherein the court observes that in spite of repeated notice, the petitioner has not appeared before the court. As such, the court had issued the warrants. This is not a case where the court can interfere when the petitioner has no respect to the orders of the court, respect towards the court. When notices are served, you ought to appear before the court. However, considering the fact that he is ready to deposit the amount, there shall be stay of all further proceedings pursuant to the order dated so and so.
There are
The
two
condition
petitions are
that.
there. Two separate petitions are there. Madam.
Hmm.
Next are F and G. She filed in different years, claiming different years. 15 to 17 on
Both,
petition.
what is the amount?
Both 2 lakhs 10,000.
So and so, write that numbers. There shall be stay of all further proceedings in so and so, so and so, on the condition that the petitioner shall deposit an amount of rupees 1 lakh by 1 lakh by 9th of September, or else the order granted by this court shall stand vacated without further reference to the court. Petitioner is permitted to take court notice on the counsel appearing with the respondent before the court, before the trial, before the court, before the executing court, and shall file a memo by 10th of September. Yes, even if the memo is not filed, even on that ground also, the stay granted by this court still stand vacated. Yes.